be sure to stick around so you could be sure to stick around. Be sure to stick around. So
we will be having a boxy. I just bit myself. I hate these braces. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for being here. Welcome back if you guys have been here before, and welcome if you're new. My name is Carla, or CG as it says on my YouTube. Today's video is going to be a little unboxing video, and with that said, I'm going to try to do it quick and easy. We will be having a giveaway at the end of the video, so be sure to stick around long enough for you to find out what the giveaway is. So let's go ahead and get to the video. So today's video is going to be about, drum roll, Boxycharm unboxing. Now, if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is a $21 a month subscription for 4 to 5 full-sized makeup products. It doesn't just vary on makeup, it has skincare, hair care, but mostly makeup products. These 4 to 5 products are absolutely brand products. There are new brands as well, but you'll get from It Cosmetics, Cover FX, to Morphe. Their regular box is about this big. It's not that big, but it does include a lot in it. So besides that box, they have added a whole other bigger box with a value of $50, $49.99 every 3 months. Now that box is average the size of this one. It does vary depending on what products it does have. So how do you do it to get this bigger box? All you do is go ahead and upgrade to Boxyluxe. Boxyluxe is only once every 3 months. Therefore, you won't have to be spending $50, $50, $50, $50 every month. The way this works is, let's say starting January, there was Boxycharm, regular box, $21. February, there was Boxycharm, $21, regular box. Third month, which is March, we have Boxyluxe. Now, for this box, you do pay an additional $28. So, besides the $21 that you pay $28 more. So, with that said, let me stop talking. Let's go ahead and start opening our box. This is the box for March, of course, because we are in March. And Boxycharm's link and description information, any information that you want to know from Boxycharm that I missed, is going to be in the description box. So go ahead and take a look at that. Go ahead and subscribe to Boxycharm. That said, let's go ahead and get started and start opening. The box is pretty big. So opening the box, this is what we see. Of course, the theme for March is La Vie en Rose. You always get a little card notifying you what you get and the prices, so you guys can see what the price is. So since regular Boxycharm boxes, you get 4 to 5 products, and Boxyluxe, you get double that, so you get 9 to 10 products. In this box, we got 10 products, and right off the box, you guys, I already like what I'm seeing on the top. So in here, it says we have a Boxycharm train case that retails for $20. I love how it's holographic. Oh, how cute. It says Boxycharm. It looks like a lot will fit in here. We got this Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. Sorry if you guys can't see it. This Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask retails for $34. So $20 with the beauty bag plus $34 for this already sums up to $54. So already, just with these 2 products, you got more than what you paid for the box. I apologize in advance if I sound kind of weird talking or if I look weird. I'm not used to these braces yet, and they do bother me, so I do these weird face expressions and these weird noises with my mouth. So next thing we got here is this iconic London eyebrow cushion. So this retails for $40. So let's go ahead and open it. I've never tried this. It is like a little mirror effect. So it does have a little mirror. It does have a little mirror. You can't see it because it does have that plastic sticker on it, but it comes with a little spoolie and a little brush for you to apply your brows. really like this. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and give it a try. So far we have $40 plus $34 plus $20. That sums up to, let's see, 54 plus 40, $94. We have only dug into 3 products and we have already gotten double the price we paid. How cool. Next thing I'm gonna go with is this Deborah Lipman, what are these, nail polishes? Oh, so we have 2 shades of nail polishes in Old Donna and Modern Love. Oh, I definitely love these shades. Oh, they're so cute. They're so small. So these nail polishes retail for $20. So we sum that up to the $94 that we already have accumulated. That equals $114. So next we have this Moda powder and soft glow brushes. So these brushes retail for $29.99. If I were to be given the choice to purchase these items separately, I would not purchase them. Not because they're not good quality, but because it's too much money for my income. Like $30 for these 2 brushes. Oh honey, no. I like how everything has to do with like pink, rose gold. Well, of course the theme is La Vienne Rose, so of course this would make a very perfect sense. These are the brushes. These are really cute. So this is for powder and this brush is for highlight. This is really cute. So they do feel very light in weight, but the bristles are really soft. So I am very happy to try this. So these retail for $30. So adding that up to what we have would equal $144. So moving on. Next thing we got here is this Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love. We got it in the shade Taupe. I don't know how to pronounce that. Taupe. This lipstick retails for $24. So let's see how cute, or let's see what's all the tea about. Let's open this up. I like the packaging. I like how thick this feels. Ooh. ASMR or what? So I really like the shade. Oh wow, yes. I am very picky with lipstick shades. I always tend to wear lip gloss, so. Oh, I love the smell. $24 for this, added with the $144 would equal $168. Next thing we got here are these Lily lashes. Oh my god, I have always wanted to try Lily lashes. Of course they're a little bit too overpriced for my taste. We got them in Gaia. So these lashes retail for $25. See, alone I would never purchase lashes that would have that price, simply because I don't have the income to purchase expensive products like that. But I am very happy to see that they added this brand here. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try these out. So adding these to what we already have, the total is $192.99. How crazy is that? I wonder how they do it to like be able to give us all these high brand products with so little pay. I mean, I don't care how they do it, like as long as you keep doing it, keep coming at me. But like I just wonder, like, you know. So the next thing we got here is the It Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. So this is from It Cosmetics, of course, and this retails for $48. Girl, I love how they care about our skin as well, so they don't just like give us all these makeup products and, you know, without giving us a little skincare. Go ahead and open it. It's fully closed. Kind of smells like lemon or something like that. But so adding the $48 in price to the sum that we had is $192.99 plus $48 equals $240 with 99 cents. We got here, oh, I like how they have it very well protected. We have the Cover FX Perfection Face Palette. Now this, ooh, I love this. So as you guys can see, it has a blush, highlight, finishing powder, brightener, contour, and another highlight. I absolutely love this. So this palette retails for $45. Not bad because it has a little of everything, so it's not a very bad price. Of course, it has a mirror, but you can't see it because of the little protector sticker that it has. So with that, our total comes to $285.99. But wait, we have one more thing. We got a Morphe 15 shade eyeshadow palette. Now everybody knows Morphe is so affordable, so I know this palette retails for $16. I know because I purchased them before, so I was very excited to know that they were going to include Morphe in this month's box. So let's go ahead and see what palette we got. I know that I think they were gonna have about 4 to 5 variety palettes. I'm not quite sure how many, but everybody was gonna get a little bit different. So we got the 15N. I am very happy with the shades. I love this shade variation. I am so in love with this palette. It is so small but so helpful. As you guys can see, it has a mirror, and like I said, it retails for $16. So adding that, our $50 Boxyluxe box comes with the total of $301.99. Girl, how? I don't know how, and I don't care, but I am so glad that Boxycharm offers us this awesome deal every 3 months, and of course every month with their regular Boxycharm. So of course, if you guys don't have Boxycharm, my link will, not my link because I'm not the owner of Boxycharm, but the link for Boxycharm is going to be in my description box. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys liked what you guys saw in this box. I am doing a giveaway with a Boxycharm box. So these are the rules. It's the same rules as my last giveaway. I do have a giveaway going on right now as well with Jeffree Star Cosmetics and Anastasia Beverly Hills products. So the same rules that are for that giveaway are the same rules that apply for this one. The only difference is that instead of commenting what your favorite product is, you guys are gonna go ahead and leave in the comment what box would you guys prefer. Would you guys prefer getting the March box or the April box? So the March's box does not include everything that it was in Boxyluxe, but I know the Morphe palette, the cover effects, the brushes, and the Wander Beauty with the Becca lipsticks are going to be some of the products that are going to be included with the box. So which one do you guys want? Do you guys want March's box, or do you guys want to wait and see what you guys get for April? So that would be it. The rules for entering this giveaway are going to be in the description box. Be sure to follow all of them, because if I choose you and you are not following every single one of the rules, I will have to contact somebody else. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Thank you for joining me, and thank you for watching. And be sure to stay tuned and check my next video out. Be sure to be subscribed and hit the little bell so you guys can get notified when I upload and won't miss any of my future giveaways. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. I want to know what is in here. Girl, what the fuck? This is such a good deal.